Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for multiple windows or tabs in our water. Okay. See, similar format of Selenium or any other languages we are using for switch case, right? To handling for the multiple window. Example like this browser. Okay, if you click this particular one and automatically it will navigate it. Okay, for this navigation we need to verify this title whether it is perfect or not, it is switched or not. Okay, and that how we can able to do. Okay, for this we have in water there are couple of methods like how we have for current window getting purpose we are using for browser dot switch to dot current window or parent window we are using, right? In Selenium, we can say Windows. Okay, Windows is basically it will return for current window. The similar format here also browser dot window. Okay, browser dot window. This particular one it will give you for current or active window. Okay, browser dot windows. If you use for Windows, it will give for all opened windows. All opened windows. Okay, and then if you want to switch, right, if you want to switch, there is a method called browser dot window, and there is a title. Based upon the title we can able to switch our windows. But if you want to use, basically in Selenium whenever you use the switching automatically you can able to reuse that, right? But here little bit different. After you find that particular window, then there is a method called browser dot window dot use. This particular function it will use that particular window. I means you can able to do for the any action in that particular window. There is a method called close for full name full it's like a browser dot window dot close. Okay, this will close that specific window where you want to close it. Okay, now we are going to see for this actions. Okay, I'll create for file tc 11 underscore windows dot rb. Okay, first we require that water. Okay, browser initialization and then website. For that particular website we are going to use this particular one. Okay, and then we are maximizing the window and then we are going to click the window. Okay, for clicking the window we need to use for inspect is a click functionality for the click. Okay, now I will use for browser dot button and then text I'm going to use for click functionality. Okay, once it is click our window concept will start, right? Now I need to read for parent window. I call it as a original window. Okay, for that browser dot window I'm mentioning. Okay, once it is loaded, then I need to load for remaining. What are the open windows is there, right? All open windows for that browser dot windows. Okay, this will return you for some windows. What are the things it is presented, but I don't know how many it is there, but I want to see how many it is there. Then we can able to use there is a size functionality size. Okay, and then we need to uh, find second window and that particular window title we need, but whenever we open this will get for all the window size like how many it is there, that everything it will come and sit in this particular window. But if you use for any kind of things then first onwards it will start. Okay, instead of first I don't want to first and second onwards I need to map it. For this we have for functionality the small one. Okay, new window you can use for index also. Okay, we'll see this one. first. Okay, new window dot use. Okay, then I'm going to use for that particular title as well. Okay, we'll see this one is work or not. I have a question mark for this. Yes, it is not working. This particular concept is not working. Okay, but still I'll go ahead and use for another functionality. All windows dot find original. Okay, this is the functionality. All windows, from here we are going to find this is the window representation. If that particular window, it should not be equal to original window, means the current window or parent window, you can able to say that should not be equal. If it is not unequal, then we are going to use for new window. Then I'm going to use for new window use, and then I'm switching in that particular window. I'm going to get my window. If it is not gets, then I need to display and end that one. Okay, means there is no window. In case there is no window, I need to print as well. Okay, so now I'm going to run this one. It is switched, and you can see my window, this one, right? Switch it to new window, and that is the title of that particular window is become a Selenium. Okay, we can by default, you can see this is my title of this particular window, but I need to switch back original. I need to switch back original. Okay, for this original window, sorry, original dot use. Okay, this is basically we are going to using for original window purpose. Okay, use, and then I'm going to use that particular window as well. But here I'll use for sleep dot 1 second. Okay, again I'm running now. New window title, as well as I want to print for my original title as well. See, now it is switching. You can see previous it is right, child window to original window. It is switched because we use it for use method. Use method is basically a switching cases. Okay, this all about for a windows. In case if you open for multiple windows, for the multiple windows also we can able to use, that is a functionality. Okay, and there is a one more option in this particular window. If you use the right, open multiple windows, if you click right, see there are two. Previous it is opening for single, now it is open for another two windows, right? This I'm giving for you like a homework type. Okay, you can use for this one, open separate multiple windows and then switch one after one, and then you need to switch back to original window and display the title. Okay, this is the homework for you. In case if you are not able to get it, comment on my video, I'll try to give you for the code. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.